Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video I will show you how to set up boot menu and install Windows on VivoBook S14 laptop. For that, first of all need a bootable pen drive, Windows 10 bootable pen drive. Insert the pen drive into the laptop, then press power button and press ESC from the keyboard. After coming this display, we will select pen drive for installation Windows. This laptop only have UEFI, so we will select UEFI pen drive and press enter. Installation process is coming. Next, install now. Check mark. Next, Windows install, and here you see there are both hard drive and SSD. As you can see below, this is the SSD. I will format it and install Windows. Select drive and next. We will wait 10 minutes. After doing that, it will be restarted and processing automatically. OK. US OK. And next. Don't have internet, click. Limited, click, and you put here a name. Next, no need to put password and accept. Not now. Windows installation completed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like, comment, share. Thank you so much.